Hello and welcome to this restorative yoga class for lower back pain. This is going to be a very gentle class that's meant to relieve tension in the entire body, but specifically targeting the lower back. From a tabletop position, lower down all the way to your belly. Untuck your toes, and then perch yourself up on your elbows with your entire forearm and palm pressing down into the mat. Keep your chest lifted, look straight ahead. Continue to push your shoulders down as you keep your chest lifted. Inhale, exhale, lower your chest down. Press up to tabletop. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, lower your belly, lift your chin, slight tilt of the tailbone, cow pose. Take this at your pace, moving nice and slowly, especially if you're experiencing pain. As you breathe out, pull your belly up and in. Let your head fall forward between your arms. Press the mat away, cat pose. Toes can be tucked or relax the tops of your feet down. Inhale, lower your chest, lift your chin, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, cat pose. Hold, and then sink your hips over your heels. Elongate your spine and rest your forehead down on the mat with your arms stretched long. Toes can be tucked or tops of the feet can be flat on the mat. Inhale, lift your torso up through cow. Exhale, lower down. Hands beside your rib cage, cobra pose. Lift your chin and chest. This can be a baby cobra, or if it's available to you, lift your chest higher by taking the bend out of your elbows. Big inhale. Exhale, rest your forehead in the backs of your hands. Bend your knees, allow your feet to fall to the right and then to the left, loosening out the low back with some windshield wipers. Release, extend your legs, lift your head, slide your hands back and press up to tabletop. Inhale, cow pose, lower your belly, lift your chin. Exhale, cat pose, press the mat away, sucking your belly up and in with a big round dome shape in your spine. Inhale, scoop your belly low and your chest through your arms, cow. Exhale, cat, let your head fall forward. Holding cat, sink your hips back over your heels and rest your forehead down, child's pose. Inhale, come up through cow. Exhale, lower to your belly. Inhale, lift your chin and chest, cobra pose. Exhale, rest your head in the backs of your hands. Bend your knees, windshield wiper your legs back and forth. Release your legs down. Press your hands next to your rib cage. Inhale yourself up through tabletop. Wag your hips to the right and draw your right shoulder back towards your right hip. Hips to the left. Left shoulder draws down towards your left hip. Wagging your tail here back and forth. Stick with this, or if you'd like, you can make some barrel rolls with your rib cage, drawing your rib cage down, off to the left, up, and off to the right, creating some fluid circles. Take this nice and slow, or move a little quicker if it feels good in your body. Take a couple in one direction, and then switch directions. Inhale. Exhale, child's pose. Spread your knees a bit wider this time. And then allow your torso to drape down between your thighs, resting your forehead down on the mat. Think about breathing into your low back, expanding and loosening. Inhale, come up through tabletop. Bring the soles of your feet together, creating a diamond shape. And grab hold of your ankles. Take a breath in with a long, flat back. Exhale, round your spine as you fold forward towards your feet. Inhale, roll up one vertebrae at a time. And if you're not already long ways on your mat, turn long ways. And then recline down for a reclined butterfly or reclined diamond shape. Bring your hands to your thighs, gently encouraging your knees to open. This should feel good in the hips. If it does not, draw your heels further away from your body or lie flat on your back. Couple breaths. Release. Take your feet the width of your mat, knock your knees in towards one another. Place your hands on your thighs. Think about stamping your spine into the mat. Release. Bring your feet hip distance apart and draw your heels in closer to your hips. Hands are long on the mat, reaching towards your heels, palms face down. Exhale, push your air out. Inhale, peel just your hips up off the mat, starting from the base of your spine. Then feel your lower vertebrae start to lift, your middle back, and then maybe your upper back. Rising nice and slowly into bridge pose. On the way down, let your hips be the last to touch down, rolling with the upper spine lowering down, the mid back, and then the low back, and your hips. Once your entire spine is down on the mat, take your feet wider, knock your knees in, feeling the entire length of your spine stamping into the mat. Inhale. Exhale, ball pose. Hug your knees into your chest. Squeeze your legs in tight to your body and rock side to side, massaging your low back, unclenching any tension in your hips right here. Exhale, lower your feet down, setting up for another round of bridge pose, palms face down, heels in close. Inhale, lift just your hips up, and then feel the length of your spine start to lift up off the mat. As you're ready to release, think about lowering the upper back, mid back, and then finally lowering the hips down last. Once your entire back is down, heel toe your feet to the edge of your mat, knock your knees into center, place your hands on your thighs, imprint your spine into the mat. Breathe into your low back here. Hug your knees into your chest. Show yourself some love. Really embrace gratitude here in ball pose as you rock side to side on your low back. Staying connected to your breath. Release your left leg, stamp your left foot down in the mat, hug your right knee into your chest for wind removing pose. Option to extend your left leg long on the mat. Do what feels good. Option to squeeze your right knee in a little tighter or roll side to side, creating some circles or rolling back and forth, finding the spot that feels good, trying to avoid any pain, especially sharp pain. If you feel it, pull back, come back to your breath. Draw your heel away from your body and draw your knee out to the side for a half happy baby. Option to grab hold of your ankle or even your foot, continuing to press your low back into the mat. Release, hug both knees into your chest. Squeeze, squeeze here, and then lower your right knee down, keeping your left knee hugged in tight. Either keep your right foot stamped down or extend your right leg long. Hug your left knee into your chest. Roll side to side, create circles, or just apply a little pressure. Do what feels good here. Staying with your breath. Relaxing your low back into the mat. Release into half happy baby, drawing your left knee a little further out towards your armpit, kicking your foot up to the sky. You can grab hold of your thigh, your calf, or even your foot. Release, hug both knees into your chest. Bring your right arm out to a T. Guide your knees off to the left, stacking right leg on top of left. Supine spinal twist. Right palm presses on top of left. Inhale. Take a nice long exhale. Peel open nice and slow. Bringing your right hand along the inside of your left arm, across your chest, and out to the right. Inhale. Press your palms. Exhale. Peel open. Inhale, press palms. Exhale, open wide. Eyes will follow, looking off to the right. Left hand can come to the legs. Release. Switch sides. Bring your left hand on top of your right with the palms pressing together. Left hand sweeps across your right arm all the way across your chest and then out to a T to the left. Inhale, press palms. Exhale, peel open into your spinal twist. Inhale, press palms. Exhale, peel open nice and slow. Turn your eyes to the left. Supine spinal twist. Relaxing and melting your shoulders down into the mat, chest open to the sky. Release, hug your knees into your chest. Draw both knees out wide towards your armpits for happy baby. Grab for your thighs, your calves, or the outer edges of your feet. Roll side to side, massaging your low back here, finding what feels good. Maybe that means holding, or maybe it means rocking side to side. Option to kick one leg out and then the other for a half straddle. And then kick both legs out for full straddle. Rest your elbows on the mat and hold your legs up in the air if you need support here. Keeping your lower back pressed into the mat, opening up through your inner thighs and hips, which will help to ease some pain in the low back. Sometimes the tension is also connected to the hips. If this is too much, you can just hug your knees into your chest. Release, kick your legs up to waterfall. Imagine you're stamping your feet up on the ceiling. This can also be done against a wall. Hands can be out by your sides, palms face up, or on your belly. Release, roll yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Roll your shoulders up by your ears and then back. Inhale, pull your chest forward, chin up. Exhale, round your spine, let your head fall forward. Once more, inhale, seated cow, chin up. Exhale, seated cat, round your spine. Inhale, sit up. We'll close out with one final breath. Inhale, sweep your arms up to the sky. Exhale, press your palms together and take a big bow forward.